How to change language in Excel, Word, or PowerPoint. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change language on your Microsoft Office apps. So in order to change the language, you're going to have to open any one of those apps. Let's say if I just open up this Excel file. From here, you're going to have to head over to the File tab at the top left and simply go to the options right here at the bottom. Click on it. Now this options will pop up, and on the left side you have different options like general, formulas, data, and many more. Find the language tab right here, click on it, and if you want to add a language, click on the add language right here. Select any one of these language from here. I've already added one, so I'm just going to select this and then set it as preferred. Now don't forget to click on OK, and you are going to have to restart your Office. So if I just close this out and then open it back again, as you can see, everything here has been changed to the other language. And if I go ahead and open any other file as well, or let's say any other app, Word app, everything here has been changed as well. So that's how you basically change language on Microsoft Office apps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.